Good morning, everybody. Most welcome in History Department. This is your first day in a new type of classroom. This classroom is not an atmosphere of teaching or studying of a subject. Actually, the class of history is not a subject, but it is an intellectual club of the school. In this subject, we are not going to complete our some question answer or syllabus, but the main objective of this classroom is to prepare you and yourself as a good intellectual, good understanding, good concept of different type of human evolution, different type of historical development of human being. What was the variety of human being who used first time tools? Who were the human being who think about something? From where the origin of human being start? Such type of questions we will discuss in this chapter. But beta, the other objective of this classroom is to prepare for various type of competitive examination. As you know, in history department there is a glucon D class, and in this glucon D class we always discuss on different topics. This classroom is going to develop in your personality as a good debater. You will have a very good skill of group discussion. You can able to share your views on different current topics. You will able to just know about your past. This classroom is going to make your future by the past. But first of all, I would like to give the meaning of history. What is the meaning of history? Beta, the itihas. This is a word itihas, and this term is made by three words. इति, यह and सह. Means वह जो निश्चित रूप से हुआ हो, that is history. In history, there is no baseless story. If a story have a very scientific evidence, a very solid evidence, then this event may be a part of history, otherwise not. So, step to step progress of the human civilization we have to study in this period. Beta, as a optional subject, history is very fruitful. As you know, this subject is the best for your result. 100 by 100 is possible only in the history. Already your seniors got this opportunity. Many students have increased the total marks in the board examination. History department is really a class which is not only the teaching of some syllabus, but it is also a class of intellectual club in which we conduct time to time some group discussion, some quiz, some different views on different current affairs topics. These all are some very important features of the classroom. So I expect that most of the student will participate in this history department. This is a very good opportunity to join this history class. And I welcome to all of you. I'm very glad to say that most of the toppers of this school is already from history department. In the last 10th session from 2012, and most of the students are topper in this school generally belongs to the history department. So beta, these are some introduction, these are some importance of the history, these are some important strategy of this department. But because this is a first day of history class, I would like to share what will be syllabus. Syllabus will be very clear. There will be 12 chapters, and these all chapters are related to the human evolution, from origin of human being to the origin of industrial revolution, national movement, the development of Japan and China. These all topics, these all contents are a part of this syllabus. But first of all, your syllabus will be a start from a very interesting topic, and this is the the name of topic is the human evolution. In this chapter we have to study how this earth is formed, what was the Big Bang theory, how the human being evolved, what was the Darwin theory, how slowly human being developed chronologically from monkey or Kapi to the Homo sapiens and Homo habilis or some other modern human being. These all are some very important topics. Who were the Australopithecus? Where was the origin of human being? Which part of the world is the birthplace of human being? These all type of questions we will discuss in this chapter. So beta, first of all, you join the history department and prepared yourself for different examination, different competitive examination, mainly the NDA examination. NDA is a very prestigious exam for every student of class 11 and 12. You will prepared in this history department. In history department, I am not going to discuss only the history contents. I am going to discuss about the Indian Constitution, Indian politics, Indian geography, current affairs, Indian culture, national movement of India. These all topics are some very important parts of this contents which I will discuss in this class. So beta, this is not a matter of only a subject. This is a matter of a strategy of your bright future. You can compete different examination in future when you concentrate in this history department. Some very important professions are also related to the education of history, as for example, archaeological department, tourism and hospitality, management, teaching, civil services. These all types of careers also you can make in the history department. You can start from this class. So all the best for your bright future, and I would like to welcome in this classroom. So most of the students must be joined the history department and take this subject as a optional subject, because this is not a matter of your board examination, but this is a matter of your career, competitive examination also. Okay, so we can start from today. Every discussion, every topic, every contents, every questions, I will just give in written after this introductory uh, conversation, and you will note these all questions in the final notebook, and we can complete day by day our syllabus well in time. This is my best try. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.